Hey everybody, Melissa here. So do you remember the days in Excel when we had so many worksheets in our workbook we couldn't see them all? But we had the three dots on the side, and if we clicked on them, it would give us a list of all of the worksheets in our workbook, and then we could navigate to them. Well, those days are gone, but it's been replaced with something so much better. Now not only can we navigate to the worksheets within our workbook, but we can do searches within those worksheets for everything from the name of the worksheet to pivot tables. I can't wait to show you how this works, so let's go ahead and get started. Here we have a workbook that contains annual sales data for Mel's Fruit Company from 2006 to 2023. Now to access our navigation tools, we can do this one of two ways. We can go up to View and Navigation, and it will show us all of our worksheets. Or we can go down to our status bar and tell it sheet number, and it's going to save this setting so that every time we come back in, it will show us. And now we have quick access to our sheets, and we're currently on sheet 15 of 18. If we click here, it's going to open our navigation, and it's going to show us all of our worksheets. So this workbook has all of my sales data going back to when we first opened in 2006. And let's just say I want to get to that worksheet. I can go to navigation and type in 2006, and it's going to bring up that worksheet. Now will also show us any kind of pivot tables, functions, formulas, or anything within that worksheet. Now if we click on 2006, it's going to take us to the 2006 sales data. Let's say we want to see 2018. In 2018, we have functions and formulas, but we also have a pivot table. If we click on that pivot table, it'll take us to that sheet and into the pivot table. If we know we have a pivot table in one of our worksheets, but we don't know where it's at, we can type in pivot table, and it'll bring up any worksheets that have that. We can select it, and we're back in the sheet 2018 and in the pivot table. And now we can quickly navigate and do searches on all of our worksheets within our workbook. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click that subscribe button before you leave. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.